8249. What maintenance record or records are required following a major repair of an aircraft engine? A. Entries in engine maintenance records and a list of discrepancies for the FAA. B. Entries in the engine maintenance record and FAA Form 337. C. Entry in logbook. The correct answer is B. Following a major repair of an aircraft engine, the required maintenance records include entries in the engine maintenance record and FAA Form 337. 8250. A ground incident that results in propeller sudden stoppage would require a crankshaft runout inspection. What publication would be used to obtain crankshaft runout tolerance? A. Current manufacturer's maintenance instructions. B. Type certificate data sheet. C. AC 4313-1A, Acceptable Methods, Techniques, and Practices Aircraft Inspection and Repair. The correct answer is A. To obtain the crankshaft runout tolerance for a ground incident that results in propeller sudden stoppage, one would refer to the current manufacturer's maintenance instructions. The manufacturer's maintenance instructions provide detailed information and specifications for inspecting and repairing the specific engine, including tolerances for various measurements, such as crankshaft runout. 8251. Select the Airworthiness Directive applicability statement, which applies to an IVO 365 engine, serial number T8164, with 100 hours total time and 300 hours since rebuilding. A. Applies to all IVO 365 engines, serial numbers T8000 through T8300, having less than 2,400 hours total time. B. Applies to all IVO 365 engines, serial numbers T8000 through T8900 with 2,400 hours or more total time. C. Applies to all 1 and TV10 to 355 engines, all serial numbers regardless of total time or since overhaul. The correct answer is A. The given Airworthiness Directive, AD, applicability statement specifies that it applies to all IVO 365 engines with serial numbers T8000 through T8300, as long as they have less than 2,400 hours total time. This means that the AD is applicable to engines within that specific serial number range, and with a total time less than 2,400 hours. 8252. What publication contains the mandatory replacement time for parts of a turbine engine? A. Engine Manufacturer's Service Instructions. B. 14 CFR Part 43. C. Engine Manufacturer's Maintenance Manual. The correct answer is A. The mandatory replacement time for parts of a turbine engine can be found in the engine manufacturer's service instructions. These instructions, provided by the engine manufacturer, specify the recommended maintenance procedures, intervals, and replacement times for various components of the turbine engine. 8253. How is the flow range of the fuel discharge nozzles installed in a fuel-injected engine indicated? A. By a letter stamped on the hex of the nozzle body. B. By a stamped on the hex of the nozzle body. C. By the code located on the engine data plate. The correct answer is A. The flow range of the fuel discharge nozzles installed in a fuel-injected engine is typically indicated by a letter stamped on the hex of the nozzle body. This letter represents the specific flow rating or size of the nozzle and is used to ensure the proper fuel flow and mixture in the engine.